Hi Shankar.
Hi, sir.
What happened? Why are you dull?
So I'm preparing SSC exam, sir. It is last year syllabus, so much of syllabus is there. I'm getting very tension, sir.
I am here. You don't fear because in our Gauri Smart channel for SSC exam, each and every topic will be covered. Mathematics, science, social, GK. Each and every topic will be covered, and also grand test also will be covered. So you don't get tension. Understand?
Really, sir?
Yes.
Oh, hooray! Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Thank
All
you.
the
Thank
best
you.
for your exam.
So all of you like this Gauri Smart channel and subscribe this Gauri Smart channel. Thank you.
Hi, today we are going to discuss about Chapter 3 Water Resources Class 10 CBSE Geography lesson. Water resources. Resources means what? Availability in the nature. Yes, water is one of the important vital role occupying in our nature. But how much percentage of water available on the earth's surface? 70% of the water is available on the earth's surface. That means 3 by 4th of water are available on the earth's surface. In that 3 by 4th, how much water levels are we can use means how much fresh water available on the earth only 2.5% is only. In this 2.5% of water, we have lakes, rivers, ponds and other things we have available on the earth's surface. This fresh water is useful for the agricultural purpose, industrial purpose and domesticated purpose are using in this fresh water. But this fresh water is nowadays it is shortage. Why? Because of that day by day our population is increasing only. But water resources are in the decreasing position because of the we have globalization, global warming. Why that? It is in the shortage because population increasing in our country. How much population is there in our country? More than 140 crores of population. But some areas are shortage of water is there. Total around how many people are facing that shortage of water, 2 billion people are facing the shortage of water on the earth's surface. So, what kind of things they have to face this kind of problems? Now we are going to discuss about that. Why the scarcity means shortage? Why the shortage of water resources on the earth's surface? Causes of water scarcity. We have to know about that low rainfall. Yes, why the low rainfall is occurred in some other areas in our country, like the example of the Rajasthan. It is a desert area. People are unable to get the more rainfall. But what will happen? That is because of that there is no natural resources, and that means forest area. So according to that, these things of low rainfalls are there some other areas, and same like that the people are using the over exploitation of water. Exploitation means robbery and excessive use. people are using, some kind of people are using that excessive. According to that, some of the people are say that they are opening the tap and they have to brushing the teeth. Means continuously whenever they have to stop the brushing the teeth, that time the running the water is going on. Some other people on the roads, they have to open the wells and water is running on the taps. These kind of things are going on in the some other places. That means we are wasting the water some other areas. Like they come to the point of large population. Yes, large population are using the domestic purpose for cooking purpose, bathing, drinking. All these things we have to call as a domestic purpose. So people are need that more water for the usage of it. But in our country more people are there, they're using that. So that's why we are shortage of water. Now come to the fourth one, large scale use in agriculture. Yes, in agriculture sector use that fresh water only, not salty water. Salty water is not at all used for the development of the agriculture. So we need that fresh water also compulsory needed for the agriculture. And next, industries. Industries also use a large amount of water in industries. According to that, about iron and steel industries, the example of the iron and steel industries. Come to that, another point of that, water pollution. Yes, it's a very important thing. The industries are releasing the wastewater to that to the rivers and oceanic body also. What will happen? The big rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, these all the rivers are, they have to toxic things only. Why? Toxic stream. Toxic in the sense of poisonic stream only. Some of the people are, they have to do some kind of puja on the place of Ganga, and they have to do some kind of superstitions, their beliefs. They have to pouring some kind of garlands, and they have to use using of the other things about the puja items, or they have to live in that places. All these things, what will happen? No, totally the water will be spoiled only. And what kind of things they have to do in the CSC report? According to the CSC report, in the year of 1999, what is tell? According to that, big rivers like that Ganga and Yamuna rivers, pure from toxic stream only. That means, and that place every year they have to purify the water of the Ganga and Yamuna rivers. Now, what is the meaning of the CSC? CSC means Center, Science and Environmental. Center, Science and Environmental report is giving every year should be needed they have to purify the water of Ganga and Yamuna. So these are the points. We have the scarcity of the water. Next, we can discuss about that need for water conservation and management. In this topic, we learn about what is the need of the people to why we have to conservation. This is one of the question. This is one of the 3 marks question for board exam. Conservation. What is the meaning of conservation? To protect. How to save the water. Why? Because of that we need some water in the daily life. Not only we also, that means about agriculture and industries. Why we have to save the water? Because first point, the ensure the food security, for food security purpose. Anytime we have received the disasters about floods, about that any kind of cyclonic effects, whatever maybe it is there. Otherwise high temperatures are recorded in the summer time. That time we need more water, so we should need that water resources, means we have to preserve the water compulsory for food. What is the relation? As we have to preserve the water, then automatically we have to grow the crops with supplying the water, then automatically crops are grown well, then we will get the food. That is the first point, mean food security. So next one, to safeguard the people from the health hazards. Yes, we have plenty of water. Doctors have suggested us every day 2 liters or 1.5 liter water should be needed for a person. Then water is purify our whatever things are there in our body through the sweat, that all the dust particles are removing our body through urine and sweat. So how it will be possible? It is possible for drinking the water only. That means the water is removing our health hazards also. So we need water compulsory. Come to the third point, to prevent the degradation of environment. Yes, we prevent the degradation. Every day, nowadays, what will happen now? The forest area will be degraded. Why? Because of the population, we have to arrange in the shelter purpose. But while you are giving the more water, more crops are development. So we need that more natural resources. Naturally, the plants are grown. We need the water compulsory. Come to that fourth point, to reduce the water exploitation and mismanagement of water resources also we have to need. So many people are misusing the water. Please avoid that mismanagement of water. How much water content we need, that much water only we can use and save the water for the future generation. These all the things we have to need the water compulsory. A thing. Actually, these all the things, it is not in the present days, not in the 19th century and 20th century. It is not like that. It will be started at first century. Yes, that idea, preserving the idea, or it is started in the century BC, before Christian era. That time only the people are get this idea to preserve the water. According to this, and what kind of projects or that much of technology is not developed at that time, even though people are wants to arranging the some kind of things to protect the water through tanks only, through wells. You know, wells means, yes, in villages, nowadays villages only this kind of things are available. Well water, we have the wells are there arranged in the near to the about agricultural field, about irrigation purpose. Yes, we have in the first century BC, Singavarapura, the king, he was in the Allahabad. He wants to harvest the water for the Ganga. And Chandragupta Maurya also, that time Chandragupta Maurya also, they have to try to constructing the dams on lakes. And like that, different kinds of kings, different kinds of areas, they wanted to start the development of the tank irrigation and well irrigation also. In Odisha, Kalinga kings, Nagarjunakonda in Andhra Pradesh, and Benur project in Karnataka, Kolhapur in Maharashtra. All these areas they wanted to develop the resources of the water management. Actually, it is not for that. It in the 14th century also, they have in the Delhi place, in the city of Delhi, they are wants to preserve the water resources in the kingdom of Mauryans and other people. So Let next topic we can discuss about multi-purpose dams. After independence, Nehru launched multi-purpose dams. What is the meaning of the multi-purpose dams? It is dam is useful for the various things. Yes, in that place, dams are useful for the not only for the only preserving the water, and it is also useful for the development of the agriculture and also producing electricity. Such kind of dams we can call as a multi-purpose dams. In that place, Jawaharlal Nehru said that dams, the temples of modern India. He said that the dams are temples of modern India. He said that means the dams are giving the such kind of importance in nowadays. Okay, what are the objectives of the multi-purpose dams? There are any kind of useful for the multi-purpose dams? Yes, we have electricity generation using of the water turbines, and we producing the electricity through the water in dams. And we have to control the floods. Whatever floods are there, it will be controlling the floods purpose also. We are using the multi-purpose dams. And irrigation, water supply to the agricultural field. For the purpose also we are using the dams, water. Come to that in fourth one, inland water navigation means changing the goods from one place to another place through the ships, and it is using the water compulsory for the moving from the one place to another place shipping. That means navigation in the sense of that goods are moved to the one place to another place for the sea route. It is very useful. Next, it is attractive the tourists, and many tourists are coming from the various places and they have to visit the dams. For that also economically development, we can get some kind of profits about the tourist. Now last one, supply the water for the domestic usage purpose and also agricultural usage purpose also we are using the dam water. So these many facilities are there for the multi-purpose dams. Yes, this is one of the important 5 marks question for the board exam. People are easily write the answer to that. Just all these points are electricity generation, control floods, irrigation field, inland water navigation, tourist attraction, supply for domestic purpose and agricultural purpose. These kinds of points we have to write in it. Just you can write the elaborately for these points only. We will get the 5 out of 5 marks. So according to this, map is a very important for the board exam. We have 5 marks are allotted for the board exam, the map pointing. So in that map pointing, according to this lesson, we have dams are there, multi-purpose dams. So here the multi-purpose dams are, this is a symbol of the multi-purpose dams. Dam symbol should be right on that place or on the rivers. This is the symbol of river. This is a symbol of rivers. So according to this thing, we have that one kind of attraction for the valuator. If you draw the dam symbol and river symbol. Now come to that Salal Dam. It is in the Salal Dam. It is on the river of one of the tributary of the Indus, and we have, you know that Indus is a Ravi, Bihar, Satluj, Chenab, and we have Jhelum is there. 5 kinds of tributaries are there on river Indus. According to this Indus, we have the Salam Dam. It is in the place of Chenab river, and one more river it is there, and it is in the Bakranangal project. It is in the Satlas river. Satlas river is one of the tributary of Ganga and Indus. So here we have the Bakranangal project. Dam is constructed on the river of Satlas only. Now, very largest big dam located in our country, it is in the Sardar Sarovar Dam in the Narmada river. It is located in the place of Gujarat and also Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and these three areas together supplying the water from the Sardar Sarovar Dam only. Where it is located in the place of Gujarat and down part of the Maharashtra, and above that we have Gujarat, it is there, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and here we have the Madhya Pradesh, it is there. So this is the project of the Sardar Sarovar Dam, is largest dam and supplying the 3 states. Come to that Tungabhadra, it is a Tungabhadra river, it is in the Karnataka area and supplying the water of Tungabhadra river. It is one of the tributary of the Krishna river. Come to that places of eastern direction, we have Mahanadi, it is there. In the Mahanadi river, we have Hirakud project. It is there in the Mahanadi river, the place of Orissa. Now come to that Andhra Pradesh, we have that Krishna Godavari rivers are there. On Krishna river, one of the project is constructed on the place of Krishna river, that is Andhra Pradesh Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Okay, and one more project it is there in the place of Tamil Nadu, Kaveri river. This is the place of Kaveri river and Mittur project in the Tamil Nadu area. So all that areas we have that important dams are constructed. According to this is very important map pointing for the board exam. At least one project they will ask you in the place of board exam. Come to the point. According to that, movement against the multi-purpose dams. What are the movements? Are they have to against to stop the constructing the dam. Yes, every time the dams are very useful, advantages, everything is there. Okay, it is a very profitable for the government. Yes, but even though we have to focus on the people which are living on the surrounding area of the river and agricultural fields. Yes, the dams are giving the irrigation 1,000 acres of more than thousands of acres of land, it is supplying the water. But what about the farmers? What about the labor? Can we have to focus on the laborers and farmers at this junction? Yes. Here one of the movement it is started in the Narmada Bachao Andolan is one of the river in Narmada. There are one kind of dam it is constructed in Sardar Sarovar Dam. We are already discussed about that. Not only Sardar Sarovar Dam, we have many multiple projects or dams are constructed. Minor and major projects are constructed on the Narmada river. People, Bachao means save. Narmada, please save the river in the Narmada Bachao Andolan. Yes, dams are constructed not only 1 or 2 months and 3 months. It is will be have that 2 to 3 years at least. Least to least, it will take the 3 years time to construct in the dam. At the time of construction of the dam, they have to stop the river water. Yes, when they stop the river water and these many years that whatever agricultural field it is there in surrounding the Narmada river, totally it is in the damage only and it will be spoiled. There is no profit in the surrounding the area of Narmada river many agricultural fields are damaging, no profit. Not only that, the farmers which are based on that agricultural field, farmers and as well as the labor, how they have to maintain their families without any kind of income 2 to 3 years, how they have to maintain that, this is unbearable, not possible for those farmers and as well as laborers. For this thing, all the laborers and farmers and people are, they wanted to shout that one kind of revolution they have started about that Narmada Bachao Andolan, to stop the construction of dams purpose. The main motto of this revolution, they wanted to stop the projects constructed on the river Narmada. In same like that, there are Tahri Dam. There is a Tahri Dam Andolan in the Himachal Pradesh, and this is the place of Himachal Pradesh. And here also one dam it is there, Tahri Dam in the Himachal Pradesh. People are same kind of attitude, same kind of problems are facing in the Himachal Pradesh to constructing the dam. And Rihand Valley project on Son River in the place of Uttara Pradesh. This is the place of Uttara Pradesh, and this is a river. We have the Sun River, it is there in the place of Uttara Pradesh. That places also people are suffering the many problems of the construction of the dams. So these all the main important movements are nowadays it is going on. And one more important concept of this lesson, we have inter-water disputes. Disputes means the people are one state to another state. Inter-water disputes among the state to state. Yes, one of the important concept is given in our textbook. It is in the Krishna, Godavari, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Actually, we have one river water will be flowing from the Krishna to Tungabhadra, and it is a river, it is constructing on the Nagarjuna Sagar and Tungabhadra river water. According to the Tungabhadra project, and they have some kind of disputes are there between the two states. One is that Karnataka area, another one is Andhra Pradesh. Every year they wanted to sharing the water between these two states, and they are fight together about the how much water they have to utilize in the Andhra Pradesh, how much water is utilized in the Karnataka. These all the things they have to, some kind of disputes are there about this kind of Tungabhadra Dam and other places of the areas. So next we have to say the one more topic about this rainwater harvesting. There are 5 methods are using in our country. That is the first method, it is in the Kandins and Jhodas, and rooftop rainwater harvesting, inundation channels, and gulls and kulls, bamboo trip irrigation strip. These are the 5 methods are using in the different areas of the rainwater harvesting. 2. That means the rainwater should not be wasted in the any kind of area. Different people, different kinds of methods are they using. First we have to see in the Kandins and Jhodas. This is one kind of harvesting system practiced in Rajasthan. Yes, what is the main thing about that? Not only in the Rajasthan, arid and semi-arid areas are using this kind of Kandins and Jhoda system. What is the use? This kind of system, the soils are moisture at the time of rainy season, and the moisture will be continue up to rainy season also, in that summer season, rainy season to summer season. So, and the second one, rooftop rainwater harvesting. It is in the also practiced in the arid and semi-arid regions only. And some like villages like in Rajasthan, like Bikaner Phalodi, the area name, which is using the constructing the tanks, are one of the thing which are using in the rooftop water harvesting. That means the rooftop, almost all the things are in the roof, only it is constructed, the houses are constructing like that, and they have to arranging the some kind of roofs are there. So water will be flowing in the places of roofs, and here they have to constructing the tanks. In that roof water will be filled with all these tanks. This water is useful for the at the time of summer, and at the time of shortage of water, and they are also using this water for the purpose of drinking and domestic usage also. So this kind of system we can use in the place of in our India. In the most probably we are using in the Rajasthan area only. And come to the next inundation channels. Here the floodplains areas of Bengal people, they have developed this system, and whatever channels are there, using of construction of wells, using of construction of tanks, and ponds also they have to using this kind of system. In that fourth one, gulls and kulls. This is one kind of system in the hilly areas and mountainary areas. Yes, it is the most probably we have to see in that northern side of the in India. Those are many hill areas are there and mountain areas are there. Those who are having the shortage of water at the time of rainy season, they wanted to preserve that rainwater through the construction of circle type of tanks. Very big circle type of tanks are constructed in the places of mountain area. Suppose this is a mountain area, and these are all the mountains are there, and these mountain areas is they have to construct around the mountains. They are constructing a circle type of tanks are constructed. Whatever water levels are there, the water levels are coming to that these areas is, and that filled with rainwater with these tanks. This kind of system is practiced in the all area. Where are the hills areas are there, where are the mountain areas are there, those regions they have to using this system. The system name it is called the gulls and kulls. Now come to the point of bamboo trip irrigation strip. What is the meaning of the bamboo sticks? They are using the bamboo sticks and the flow in the water levels, where the more water will be, more rainwater will be flow. Such areas they are arranging the bamboo sticks, and is this system they have to practice in the Meghalaya about that water is transferred to hill areas to directly agricultural field through the bamboo pipes only. Around 18 to 20 liters of water enters the bamboo pipes every year. That means at the time of rainy season, every bamboo sticks are they are to filled with 18 to 20 liters of water is going to that places of bamboo pipes, through the bamboo pipes to agricultural field. Yes, now these are all the things are the people are who are shortage of water levels are there, they are using. Even though we are have some kind of problem of the water shortage at the time of summer. So this lesson there are very important question. This is also 5 marks question. Rainwater harvesting. Explain briefly about rainwater harvesting. This is one kind of direct question in the board exam. And one more question, this based on this topic only. What are the methods are using for the rainwater harvesting? That also they will give you in that place. Otherwise, can you explain two methods or about the rainwater harvesting. That question also given for the exams. So according to this lesson, we discuss many things about the water resources. Okay children, this is the class 10 third chapter in geography. Thank you.
If you like
If you
this
like
video,
this video,
you just
just
like
like
and
and
subscribe
subscribe
the
the
channel
channel
and
and
share
share
this
this
video.
video.